Hello everyone. So if you're having troubles with Gmail not receiving a verification code on your Android, here's how to fix that. So first of all, this method is versatile for all of the mailing systems, so not only for Gmail. And at the first tab, let's turn off our Do Not Disturb mode if you have it on. So open up your settings and let's search for Do Not Disturb mode. Do not disturb, there we are, press turn off now and we don't have it anymore. If the problem still persists, let's keep up. So go back to your settings, locate your apps tab, press see all apps, and now simply locate your Gmail or any other mailing application, whatever you are using for it. So there it is, it should be here. We found it. First of all, let's press permissions. Then press notifications and make sure that you have them on, because this is a very essential part in this process. So press all Gmail notifications. Now we are receiving our notifications. Let's go back. Now tap storage and cache. Press clear cache, and after that press clear storage. Confirm your choice by pressing delete. Now let's open up our Gmail and let's go further. So there we are. Press got it. Take me to Gmail. Give it some time to reload because we just cleared all of its data, so it just needs some time to get everything from the cloud or wherever it's getting it from. Also choose the desired account, so tap on the top right corner and make sure that you have the right account on. Also, I recommend to tap at the top left corner. Alright, not yet, let's give it some time to load up. Great, after it's loaded up, let's tap on the three lines at the top left corner. And now simply press spam, because sometimes by the mistake those verification codes come to this spam folder. If there is nothing in it, let's go to the main folder, and after that I recommend you to request a new verification code, because the problem may be not in your Gmail or not with your phone at all, but on the other side. So basically that is it. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.